Hey guys, how are you? Hopefully you are fine. I welcome all of you at my channel Computer Code. So let's get started. So today our topic is Flutter Gen, that is our library. You can say package of the week. And most of the time we need to paste some assets in our project, and we need to copy the path and paste. That is very hectic for us. So Flutter Gen is a package for solution that dynamically generate paths and automatically set. You just need to call is asset file and import it and use it where you need for your assets, and it will support for multiple. And let's explore Flutter Gen first. For that you need to add Flutter assets like this one. So this way, he's already told this way is not a good way. So good way assets image profile, and like this you can dot and you can set image object as per your need. Okay, so let's get started for his configuration. For that we need to first of all globally active Flutter Gen. First of all we need copy this. I already created a dummy project. Okay, so I just paste here and running the terminal. Meanwhile I run the Android emulator. The person who did not subscribe my channel, kindly subscribe. Okay, so here is our emulator. So we just simply okay. So first of all, what we should need to do. Yes. So we need to add dev dependencies and Flutter Gen runner and the build runner. I just copy this one. I just paste these two. Flutter Gens. So we need to upgrade these, are also I got available these upgrades. So I just update these one and simply add Flutter Gen and build runner. Okay, so after that we see some other configuration that is globally activated and flutterpub.get Flutter Gen. To install flutterpub.get like this one, we can easily say it set. There is some configuration that we use in our project, that is this one, flutterpub.get run build runner. Install Flutter then flutterpub.get. Use pub/spec.yaml configuration, that is scale Flutter Gen configuration that we can paste under the line. After this one, I just paste over here Flutter Gen, that was the lib create output. You can change this one, maximum length and some other configuration. Meanwhile I just add this website link on the bottom. On the description you can see that. Okay, so here is the integration of Flutter SVG, Flutter Flare, Rive, Lottie. Meanwhile this support multiple things. So I just don't need to, these are because options, I just don't need to do that. So I just simply run my command and we just simply do it. Okay, just I need to copy this Flutter Gen, and if you don't want to add publicly, I just simply add over here Flutter Gen and just update. Okay, so first of all I am just trying to run our first of all, as usual, we clean our code, select all, and I just first of all I import material. Okay, taking a little bit processing time. first of all, the void main. Just call here stateless class. That is my app. Okay, so it will give me error. So for that, we just need to import material app. Okay, that is already imported. And we just simply hit here on just material app, and title should be I just wrote provide theme going to be default. The title should be that's the name of dynamic asset, and where here is our home. I just passed here scaffold. That is, I just passed body, and here is column to display the asset. Okay, so I just configure this one, and first of all I set here tag. I just set here hi here, or I just write welcome to computer code, and we just simply execute it and see what it's going to display over our screen. Meanwhile, I just configure some other things. I just create a new folder, assets, and I just simply copy this path. As usual, we go there, here, and here, this one. And I need to just create, most of the time we need to create our another folder. Like I just want to add icon, anything that you want, and I just try, I have two icons, and I copy these icons and paste over here. So you will see that is the user icon and that is the UD method. Okay, so first of all I will go with the traditional way that most of the devs are using, like okay, our emulator runs successfully, and just any file it not moving further. Okay, so the issue is we forgot to call our here my app. Okay, so I just simply restart it and see what is going to happen there. Restart it. Okay, so where is, as you see, this is our text over stop. So for that we are fixing quickly, just need to wrap into the widgets safe area, and we can set here pacer to set center. It is fun. Okay, so ignore these warnings that are giving us for that we are set to const, because we are giving our static value. So just for now ignore it. So welcome to computer code. So this is our code. So I just need to display one image. Just need to give it enough. I just size box. I just have for height 40 pixels. And just both the way that we need to display image dot, we just call image dot assets. We just call image dot assets, and we just paste the path over here. I think so. I did not before that. Or we are trying to manage these paths. That is not a very good habit for using. I just need to just call subject, so it will automatically. Okay, so icons, where we just copy this path, just copy reference path, and save for now that we just need to create another icon, and I just want them subject to display images. So see what is going on. I think okay, it's not loading because we need to restart the whole app. Okay, it's going on install and see. Okay, the unable to load asset user.png assets not found. Okay, why it's not found? We added in path. Why it's give us error? Assets not found. Unable to load assets. This is building image provider string name. Where is the issue? Why it's not? I think it should. Is there like something successful, sir? Let me forget. Okay, we quickly fix this issue. I did not see any time, but let's see. Okay, it's still not. Let me try YouTube. Reference, where is our mail? Most of the time we face some issue. So for that, okay, YouTube also not getting. Why it's not getting? Where is something went wrong? Okay, so where is the issue? We just move this Flutter gen from here to under the map dependence is the lower that. So we just simply work.get and we see how it's happening here, and just simply destroy our application and restart our application. Let's see what is happening over there. Our issue is fixed or not. Okay, so this is the issue that we fixed. Okay, so what is I already told you we are going to create our dynamic. This way is not very good for us. So how is going to happening over there? So as this the solution that is given by us, that we are globally activated, or we just need to add this library. For one time, we just need to create for that one time flutter.run bin run.meet. Just need to call this one. Okay, so here is our code and see how it's happening over there. What it will do for us. As you see, it will dynamically executing. And it will building new assets. As you see, it will create it for assets for us. That is libgen, and that is assets file that created for us. So how we are using to that dynamically generated? So for that, we are simply just using that assets. You need to just import before that one. Yeah, you see that import dot icon dot. Let's suppose I just need to display user dot image. That's it. And I will restart our application and show you. As you see, the icon is will automatically dynamically generated. So what is to avoid that we are continuously, let's suppose I just need to continuously paste some image and automatically it will generate for us. For that we have some other commands that we run and it will generate for us. So what if I am working with and I just need to paste image and I just want to display dynamically. So how it's going on happening over there, I just need to copy this one first of all. And I will paste here. That was the command that we already executed. I just go to, we just add here build to watch. As you see, this is generating and it's continuously watching for us. Okay, so I have to download another image icon for us, and I will show you how it's look like. Okay, so I just need to download another icon. There is some other icon. I'm trying to downloading. That is a free icon for us. Using a free pick tool. This is downloaded. Almost. Let me see. No, it's not. Familiar. You have attributes anytime to. Why it's not downloading? PNG 3 downloads. Not downloading for me, so I guess go over there that I searched. That I just need to download over here. We'll just try to here use the profile icon or like some other icon that you need to want to import your assets. I just need to download this one. It's fast downloading. Okay, come on. Okay, it's downloaded. I just simply open and copy into my project. And just minimize it, and as you see over here, I'm just adding the one. What is going to happening over there that I bit. The name of that was perfect, and just paste it here. And after that, as you see, especially see this one output is generated successfully. So you have to not do anything. It will automatically generate path and everything for you. The assets dot icon dot, as you see, this is profile dot image, and in that image object you can pass every object like we are anything that we pass in like filter quality, each and everything that we are passing in the image object. You can pass anything. And let me restart our application. Please, how it's going happening over there. As you see, this is basically I did not edit single shade scrolly. As you see, this is our another image. You can set their height. That's what I just set height 50 by 50. And just simply I just reset. As you see, we can set height. So the person who did not subscribe my channel, can you subscribe first of all? I need your support to complete my work time. So this is the way that you can dynamically generate your Flutter assets like fonts, icons, SVGs, anything that you want to generate like this. You can easily generate, and any worried about the creating path and using path and paste the path in the image the own specific way. So that is not good approach. So this is very good and very useful, and will also increase your developing cycle. Thank you very much, guys.